Well, Holi is not just about colours, it's also about delectable delicacies. From sweet gujiyas to cool, refreshing thandai, the festival is full of tasty treats. So which is your favourite Holi dish? You may rather find your answer in this next report.
Holi, the festival of colours, is not only a celebration of vibrant hues, but also a feast for your taste buds. The festival is incomplete without the spread of some traditional Holi delicacies. Let's dive into some sweet treats and savoury dishes that make this celebration even more delightful. First up on our list is gujia, the traditional quintessential Holi delicacy found in almost every Indian household during Holi. Also, markets are buzzing with the varieties of gujia available. Starting with, you have, I'm tasting 3 different kinds of gujiyas. Starting with kesar gujia, one's dry fruit gujia, and one is your normal gujia without all the sweetness. This one looks interesting. It's slightly yellow in color and looks extremely flavorful, and you can see the sweetness chashni, which is made of sugar syrup dripping from the gujia. Can't wait to dig in. Absolutely love it.
I'm really excited to celebrate Holi here, to feel the gist of this festival. And yeah, I have bought there some very famous delicacies, gujia, and also I've bought all that.
Well, next up, this is a deep-fried pancake-like Holi delicacy called malpua. And this is made of deep-fried khoya, again, soaked in sugar syrup. Wow.
Delicacies, if you say in sweets, it is gulab jamun, and for Holi we make especially gunjiyas. The gunjiyas we prepare for 4-5 varieties. One is kesar gunjiya, one is dry fruit gunjiya, and one is gunjiya without chashni. And for Holi, it is a festival of, you can say, brotherhood, and for colors, it is good for human being to interact with each other. So for that we just prepare sweets so that they can enjoy more for that.
Now, for those craving something savoury this Holi, the namak para is the perfect Holi delicacy. Now, these are made of wheat flour and are fried in desi ghee with a pinch of salt and some cumin seeds. Makes for a real treat of a savoury snack.
Every time the festival of Holi is there, we go back to our childhood days. Those are our fondest memories of Holi, and we feel so connected to our roots, especially at the time of festivals.
Next up, my personal favorite, the dahi bhala chaat. Now, the main elements here are these soft melt-in-the-mouth fritters. These are generally deep fried in oil and are made of moong dal. And it's a perfect combination of some tangy yogurt mixed with spices. And the favorite part about dahi bhala for me personally is the generous amount of tamarind chutney that is put on top. Absolutely love it. A perfect blend of cold, sweet, tangy curd and these melt-in-the-mouth bhalas, as they are called. Wow.
Since childhood, it is a tradition to make gujia on a Holi. I used to, with my mom, make puri and all, and mommy was stuffing the khoya, and it's a childhood memory are attached.
Wow. No Holi celebration is complete without thandai. It's a perfect concoction of chilled milk, a lot of dry fruits and some cardamom. A very, very refreshing drink. loved and cherished by everyone.
होली स्पेशल है मैडम, हमारे यहाँ ठंडाई चलता है, सावन स्पेशल ठंडाई है हमारी, होली में चलती है अच्छी, हेल्थ के लिए काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल होता है ये। ऐसे ही यहाँ पे केसर बादाम मिल गया हमारा, ये भी होली में चलता है। और केसर रबड़ी कुल्फ़ी फलूदा है हमारी बेस्ट सेलिंग आइटम, ये जो है केसर रबड़ी हमारा ऑल सीजन के लिए है और होली में भी इसका अलग ही स्वाद आता है।